Have you ever seen something so broken that everyone gave up on it? This is a 2004 Porsche 911 GT3. Once a beast on the roads, now just a shell, abandoned and forgotten. Rust has eaten its soul, dust has buried its beauty, and the world moved on without ever looking back. But not her. A young girl walks into the frame. Not a millionaire, not a professional, just a heart full of passion and a vision no one else could see. To most, it's a pile of metal. To her, it's a dream worth saving. This isn't just about restoring a car, it's about fighting for something everyone else said was finished. It's about bringing life back to what the world had left behind. Through every dent, every weld, every sleepless night, she rebuilds more than just a machine. She rebuilds hope piece by piece. This is not just a story about a car, this is a journey of revival, of resilience, and of pure, unstoppable heart. Welcome to the emotional rebirth of a legend, the 2004 Porsche 911 GT3.